What's up, everyone? It's your girl Sharnice, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button and also click that notification bell so that you don't miss any new videos that come up here on my channel. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment and share with all your friends. First, I want to start out by saying thank you so much for 500 subscribers. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot to me, and the next landmark is 1,000. So I'm really excited about that. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you keep rocking with me until the end of time. You're stuck with me. All right, so today I made some DIY flaxseed gel, and the first thing I want to say about that is, why didn't anyone tell me that it was a lot harder than I thought it was to make flaxseed gel? It took me 2 tries to get the consistency that I wanted. The first time I tried it with Natural 85's recipe, where she does about 2.5 cups of water to 1/4 of a cup of flax seeds, and I don't know what I did wrong, but it did not come out right at all. The consistency was like, flaxseed gel is already kind of like a snotty consistency, but think like a sick child snotty. It was not good. So I did it again, and this time the measurements, I did about 1.2 liters of water and 1/4 of a cup of flax seeds, and that turned out perfect for me. I love the consistency. So I put, some of it is in my fridge right now for storage. And if you do have a lot of flaxseed gel, just keep in mind that it's only good for about 2 to 3 weeks. So you want to use it as soon as you get it. This is the one that I put in my bottle. And this is the consistency. I think flaxseed gel is so much fun. And I like flaxseed gel because when I kind of like rub it on my hand, the first thing that I can tell is that it's super nourishing, right? And then the other thing that I can tell, by the time my hand dries, there's no like residue on my hand really. It's just like a very nourishing gel. So I'm really excited to retwist my hair with this and let you guys know how that goes. So if you don't know, flax seeds are very rich in vitamin E and omega-3s, which are really good for nourishing our hair. So I'm really excited about using this gel because, one, I know exactly what's in it. I made it at home. It's just flax seeds. It has really good properties and the ability to moisturize our hair while I can also style my hair. So I'm always like, you know, in for a good 2-in-1 kind of deal. So if you want to see how I made this flaxseed gel that I'm going to use very soon, please be sure to continue watching the video. Bye. All right, attempt number 1. I used the Badia whole flax seeds. I used 1/4 cup of that, and I used 2.5 cups of water. So this is the recipe that Natural 85 used, and I put it on a low to medium heat. And this was after the first 10 minutes. I realized that it wasn't the consistency that she said I was looking for. She said that when you make flaxseed gel, you are looking for like a trail of mucus from the flaxseed. So I let it cook for a little longer. But then I realized that I didn't have a lot of gel. So I added some water. I didn't measure it, but it looks like maybe like 1/2 cup of water. And I boiled it down, still looking for that consistency, the trail of mucus, and I think I got it here. But then when I let the flax seeds cool, it looked like this. Doesn't look right. I think I'm gonna have to do this again with some more water, and I probably won't boil it as long. It's just really stiff right now. And I can't imagine this like going into my locks. So we'll see. I'll strain it so that you guys can see the consistency that it came out to be. But obviously I think I need more water and less boiling time. So let's do that. So I went ahead and strained the flaxseed gel in a stocking, and this happened. So as you can see, the flax seeds found their way through some gaping hole from my stocking. So after that, I doubled up the stocking, and it was really hard to squeeze out the gel at this point because I did have it cooling for a while. This is all the gel that I could manage to get out of that batch. And as you can see, it's really, really thick and like cloudy in color. Bro. Yes, that is sweat. I just struggled to make a freaking flaxseed gel video. It was a huge fail. So I don't like to fail. So this time I added 1.2 liters of water and about the same 1/4 cup of flax seeds, and this time I put it on a low fire and I just let it boil a little bit. This was after 10 minutes and I don't have that thick mucousy consistency, so I gave it another 5 minutes, so 15 minutes total, as opposed to about 25 minutes the first time. And here I am with my desired consistency, and now I'm about to just let that sit for only about 10 minutes. All right, guys, so already you can see that I have more liquid in my gel. This is the consistency that I would like. I don't want it to be like too thick, but this is really nice. And as you can see, I've got lots of gel, so I'm gonna let this sit, then I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. So I noticed that the gel came out much easier when it was hotter, and that was a big help. And as you can see, I made a lot of gel, so this is the perfect consistency for me. I'm rocking with it. This is how I made my flaxseed gel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.